I think there are two aspects that are very important. One, it is important for ATMs to be prepared for the disruption, to think proactively about anticipated disruptions. That's what we observe often in supply chains. Those that are prepared often do much better to overcome a disruption than those that engage in firefighting. The second one is to carefully think about what measures are suitable for the ATM industry. And the key measure that I believe can be helpful is considering what resources can be shared for different purposes to enhance resilience in the ATM operations. Commons are essentially shared resources that are used for different purposes. So they can be used to facilitate day-to-day operations, even make them maybe cheaper to meet demand using commons. But they can also be helpful to deal with disruptions when a breakdown in the operations occurs or customer demand from the air traffic is significantly reduced. I think what is really important is to look at the role of the regulations, because ATM is a very specific industry that is subject to certain regulations, and the concept that we in supply chain management develop, we would like to see them applied in many industries, but often regulations put a limit to the applicability, and so the idea would be to see with the regulator maybe if anything can be done to improve the use of commons in the operations. In order to successfully implement more resilient operations, I believe that a multi-stakeholder approach is very important to involve different parties that are involved. I think building resilience operations can only work if an approach is taken that is holistically involving all the stakeholders. And so this is a very important aspect of building resilience.